In this video, we'll show you how to replace the bake element on a range oven. For this installation, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver. To replace a bake element, first disconnect the power by unplugging the range or turning off the circuit breaker. Then remove all of the oven racks. Now you have easy access to the rear mounting screws. Remove these screws and pull the bake element out of the cavity. You'll see 2 wires connected to the back of the element with 1/4-inch screws. Remove these screws and disconnect these wires. Be careful not to allow the wires to slip back into the insulation. Then simply remove the old element. You can now install the new bake element. Just connect both wires to the terminal with the 1/4-inch screws. Set the element in the back of the cavity. Secure the element in place with the mounting screws, and then replace the oven racks. Finally, restore power to the range and turn the oven on to ensure that it was properly installed. Keep in mind that each element has a protective coating. This may cause a small amount of smoke initially, but it will eventually dissipate. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at geapplianceparts.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.